Want to earn $118 per referral over and over again from just one evergreen YouTube video? The Courses GG affiliate program makes it possible to earn long-term income from just one piece of content, while helping course creators escape from expensive platforms like Skool or Kajabi or GoHighLevel. And there's one simple strategy that helps your commissions roll in, even months or years after you post. I'll show you exactly how it all works in just a moment. Hey, I'm Amanda Vanderkulik, and I have been earning affiliate income over 15 years from my YouTube videos. And even during my 3-week coma, I was still earning affiliate commissions. And today, I want to show you how you can do the same with the Courses GG affiliate program. Okay, maybe not the coma part though. If you're excited to promote this, put rank number 1 in the comments below, and I'll send you a link to sign up for the affiliate program for courses.gg. Plus, I am going to give you exclusive access to my Evergreen YouTube ranking strategy, so your videos can rank to promote Courses GG under your affiliate link too, right at the top of the search results for YouTube and Google for free, and for years to come on autopilot. Let's talk about why courses.gg, Mike Filsane's new product, is getting so much attention. It's like Skool and Kajabi and GoHighLevel and the other online course platforms, but without the bloated price. The online course creators that you refer to courses.gg, they're never going to have to pay to grow their knowledge base, to grow their course platform, because everyone you refer will get unlimited courses. Yes, they can run multiple programs inside their one account, mastermind, membership, all included in unlimited communities as well as unlimited courses. Oh, and their students and fans can then promote their courses for them with the built-in affiliate system that has all the affiliate tools that they will need. No need for external apps or to plug in extra pieces. Skool doesn't even offer this. And they can keep their own branding instead of having Kajabi or Skool pasted on top of their courses. Plus, they're going to get paid instantly. They can use PayPal and Stripe integration and get paid directly, immediately, instead of having to pay extra fees to the course platform or wait for them to pay them out. No more waiting, no more platform fees. And their students are going to stay motivated, which means they'll actually finish their courses thanks to the built-in gamification and progress tracking, which means they can eliminate using things like Facebook groups just to communicate with their students. No Facebook noise and no algorithm distractions. Just a clean, focused learning experience for their students. It's beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for 7-figure creators. And it sells itself with its own online marketplace. Best of all, right now, there's a lifetime deal where your course creators, your referrals, invest only one time for $297. You earn $118 of that as commission. Even if you're watching this, say a year from now, and the price has gone up to $497, it's still going to be more affordable than any other course platform out there. So your referrals will be happy. Plus, as the price goes up, your commissions go up. And once it gets to annual pricing at $497 annually, you will earn a commission every time their course renewal comes up. Passive recurring income for your business. Hey, I'm curious, what has been your biggest challenge with promoting affiliate products? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone, and I would really like to see if maybe I can help you with some of that. Or maybe you have a tip for all of us. Or just drop visibility so I'll know you're ready to go evergreen with your affiliate promotions. Okay, now let's talk numbers. Courses.gg pays 40% affiliate commissions, plus a second-tier affiliate commission as well. So when your referrals then refer others, you get to earn on that as well. So let's say you promote the $297 lifetime deal, right? That's $118 per referral. When it moves to $397, which is going to do very soon, that's $158 per sale. And at $497 for the lifetime deal, you earn $198. Once it goes annual, that's $198 per referral per year until the price goes up even further. Anyone who locks in, however, is grandfathered in at their price. So with just 10 referral sales, that's $1,180. And with 100 sales, that's $11,800 in affiliate commissions to you. With 1,000 sales, that's $118,000 from one video. And it even gets better. You earn second-tier commissions on your affiliate referrals as well. So when someone you refer signs up and starts promoting the platform, you earn affiliate commissions as well from their efforts. And remember, once the platform goes annual, that's recurring income because you earn on every annual renewal as well, which gives you true passive recurring income. Just imagine one of your evergreen videos generating recurring income year after year after year, like mine do, just from the work that you do right now. Look, I've earned thousands of dollars from affiliate commissions from videos I created to promote Mind Movies and Mind Valley and Jeff Walker's Product Lunch Formula and online business platforms like Kartra and GrooveFunnels and ClickFunnels 2.0 and more. And those videos still earn me money every single month, even some of them that I made over a decade ago. And yes, even when I was in a 3-week coma fighting for my life. That's when it really hit me how important it is that everything we do is set up evergreen, because we never know when life is going to hit us hard. And so we may as well be prepared, because that's the beauty of evergreen. Once you set it up, it keeps working for you over and over and over again. You just need to know how to set it up so that the algorithms will promote your video for you for free on YouTube, but also on Google. But don't worry, I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Oh, and here's the wild part. My very first Courses GG review and bonus video made its first sale after just 46 views. That's $118 in commission from under 50 people seeing my video. So imagine this. If 50 views is $118, 500 views would be $1,188, right? But what about 5,000 views? That could be $11,880 in affiliate commissions for you. What if your video goes completely viral and you get 50,000 views? That's $118,000. One video on autopilot for years to come. If this inspired you or sparkled some ideas, tap the like button and let me know, so I'll know that you would like me to make more of this kind of video and to share more of these opportunities with you. And of course, if you want more strategy breakdowns like this, you can subscribe to my channel, but just make sure you hit that notification bell. Otherwise, YouTube may not actually let you know when my next video comes out, to help you promote your videos too, so you can earn more affiliate commissions or sales from your own business. Okay, so what's that evergreen strategy I was talking about? You need to do a combination of giving the algorithms, the search engines, the information they need so they know what your video is about and who to show your video to, with knowing how to keep your audience engaged and delivering true value so that they watch all the way through. And that gives you top search results and long watch times, which is the key to making YouTube want to promote your videos for you. And guess what? Google owns YouTube. And when you rank on YouTube, you also rank naturally for free on Google too. Yep, the most popular search engine in the world. You just need to use keyword-rich titles, optimized video descriptions, and of course, engaging videos with very clear call to actions, and then post it on YouTube. And just one high-ranking video can become your 24/7 sales team for you. So you're wondering, okay, so I want to promote Courses GG. How do I structure my Courses GG review video so that it actually ranks and converts? I've got you. I created a full SEO-optimized Courses GG review and bonus video that you can break down and model for your own Courses GG reviews. I'll show it to you in just a moment so you can take notes and just follow the same format. All right, now that you're ready, here's how to get started. Go to cleverdough.com/coursesgg-JV. I'll put a link on the screen here for you. Plus, I'll make it clickable in the description and in the first pinned comment below, just to make it even easier for you. Then next, simply let me know where to send you your free Evergreen YouTube ranking series so we can get your courses.gg reviews ranking faster. And then you'll automatically be redirected to sign up to the Courses GG affiliate program. And then leave me a comment letting me know that you signed up for Courses GG affiliate program so I can go and check out your review videos too. Okay, let me show you my Courses GG review and bonus video so you can model it, set it up once, and earn for years and years to come. I'll see you over here. Leave me a nice comment.